exploring the yummy goodness of Korean sweet potato cake. Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we are embarking on a mouth-watering journey through the delightful world of Korean sweet potato cake. Get ready for a treat that's not just sweet, it's a whole experience. The sweet beginnings, our delectable adventure kicks off when the raw beauty of Korean sweet potatoes from the vibrant field to the careful cleaning process, every step is a celebration of freshness. Into the mix, now let's witness the magic unfold as their vibrant spurts transform into a luscious cake batter. It's like a symphony of ingredients coming together, creating a harmonious dance of flavors. The oven's warm embrace. Our cake to be takes a cozy nap in the oven, embracing the warmth of anticipation. Picture a warm hug, but in the form of the most delightful aroma filling the kitchen. Slicing through sweetness. It's time to reveal the magic slicing into layers of pure sweet bliss. As the knife glides through, you can almost hear the anticipation building. Artistry in frosting. Now the canvas gets a frosting makeover, a work of edible art. Each stroke is a masterpiece, turning our cake into a delicious gallery of flavors, a symphony of colors. Dive into a visual feast as vibrant colors dance on our cake masterpiece. It's just a treat for the taste buds. It's a feast for the eyes too. Taste test extravaganza. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, the taste test extravaganza. Join us as we witness the joy on people's faces, the aha moments when sweetness takes over, and the unanimous agreement that this is pure heaven on a plate. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary escapades, and let us know in the comments your favorite cake twist. Until next time, keep eating, keep smiling. This is Blogging Good Food.